what would you do if you had the unique opportunity to go into the wild with 3 professional snake handlers? That is the opportunity I'm faced with right now, and I said yes. And right now, that is why I am going into the wild here with Max Takes On World, and we're gonna see if we can find some massive and some venomous snakes today. So let us get today started. With a little bit of packing, we got our gear and headed up out into the bush. Alright guys, so here we are. You might be wondering where we are right now, but we are in midnight and we are hunting for snakes. As the rainstorm settled down, we were heading down into the hunting grounds of the snakes, because now was the best chance to find them. I have to cross this section right here. Seriously, look where we are. This is crazy. What? You see a snake? I did see some movement somewhere up there. Okay, let's try to cross this river. Whoop. So much for dry feet. Alright. Oh, up there, I see it. Ooh, look at this one. Wow. Like, these are the kind of animals that you don't see every day around. It's crazy when you're just walking around here in the bush. And now, when it's night, it's the time when they are becoming active, so epic. Wow.
Not common from here.
Look at that. Whoa.
Green trees king.
Do they bite or no?
Yeah, he is bite actually. Look at that. He tried to bite me.
Oh, he did?
He's trying to bite you right now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another snake?
Yeah, that's another one.
Oh,
Look at that, right there.
Oh, that's the snake.
Oh.
It's so close. Look at that.
Where?
This one.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
There, guys.
Woo.
The guy's ready with a stick.
Yeah. Lot of snake.
Oh my god.
Snail. It's
wow.
very harmless. If
That is a small
you can.
He won't bite?
Wow.
Oh.
Looks like it wants to. Do they bite?
No. It's harmless.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
You can put on your hand.
Crazy. Is that venomous one or?
Yeah, just mild.
Mild venom.
Mild venom.
Our first venomous snake.
Okay, look at that. There's a big chance today that we might see some bigger snakes, because right now we've seen the small ones, which is exactly what we're looking for, the breeding ground, because that means we are likely to find the bigger snakes. It's creepy with all these vines just hanging down, soaking up all the water. So dark and muddy as well. Yeah, it is. Oh, behind you.
What?
But down.
Oh, look at that. That's a big snake.
Whoa! Holy fuck! Oh my god! No way! No way! Oh my god!
Whoa. He said, look
How-
behind you.
I'm sorry, Max. I had to say something.
I jumped in the water.
I'm so happy I recorded. Oh fuck! Okay, I wanna go back. Oh my god! Oh fuck! Okay, I wanna go back a bit. Okay. Oh. I'm going back a bit, guys. Oh my god. It's biting. Got his head there. Oh my god, guys. Oh. This is a slimy bitch. My god, look at the force. Okay, here we are. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, he got his head. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. That is insane. Wow. Holy shit, Max.
Hold it, hold it.
Can I hold it by the head?
Are you sure?
It's not gonna move, right?
Hold it like this. Not on the neck, not on the neck. On the jaw. Okay? Don't let the snake open the mouth.
Got the reticulated python here. I'm screaming Max takes on the world on the whole way out though.
Oh my god.
Like the one, okay?
Sorry, guys.
God, this is insane.
Careful, be careful.
No, I don't want to kiss it. Wow. Oh my god, that's so heavy, guys. That's so freaking heavy.
It's big, man.
That's insane. Okay guys, so apparently that was the full-size reticulated python that you can find here, and we found it, and it's apparently extremely rare to find here, but the snake gods were with us tonight. Just want to say hi. Okay, so what do you say when you find an owl in the wild? Woohoo! So bad, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, look at that guy. Is this one venomous?
Oh no, snail eater.
Hey buddy, how you doing? Oh, look at his tongue.
We're just lucky with it, like we trust you.
Okay, so these guys have a keen eye on finding snakes. Look at this. I wouldn't even think of looking up here, but look at this guy chilling. These guys are always ready. It's insane the way they're able to just find the snakes, and they're doing this every day as well. So it just becomes a normal life. You can see by how calm they are, and yeah, you have to be if you're gonna be in this profession. The amount of insects out here is insane. Well, they're gonna follow the light, so if I shine it on my face, you might see it. Ah.
We are professional snake handlers. Do we get a certificate, sir?
Yes. Yes, we do. I'm hand riding it later tonight.
Be careful, there's a lot of holes here, guys. Oh shit!
Oh shit. You okay, Max?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. It literally happened after I said be careful. There's a lot of holes here.
Yeah. Oh, almost a second guy. Max just fell twice in the same hole, and I didn't get it on video. God damn it!
On a hole twice. Max takes on around. And holes. I gotta get the holes
Max,
first.
You gotta rebrand. Max is gonna rebrand. Max takes on holes. Oh, that has been our adventure today, guys. Oh my god, this was one of the most memorable moments I've had. Like the fact that we got to join 3 professional snake handlers that does this for a living, and the things that we saw today. It's so amazing that I got it on video. So make sure you guys subscribe, as we'll be posting a lot of content like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.